We interrupt our regularly scheduled Hawaii vacation programming to bring you this unimportant video.
Hello! Welcome to our home. Please come in. Before we move on with our house tour, I need to introduce you to two of our family members that live with us and we love so much. Our sweet kitties, Oreo and Nacho. So, welcome to our house. We started this process in 2020, August of 2020. With all the delays and everything, we didn't move in until kind of just now. It's now December 2021 and we're still moving in. I just want to say that because you're going to see a lot of empty rooms and boxes, and we're still kind of figuring out the spaces that we live in. What do you think?
I really like that we have an upstairs now, and it just feels like our own little space to hang out. And yeah, I think all the finishings turned out great. Abby did a really good job of design.
You did help.
Yeah.
Do you want to show us your office?
My empty office? Yes. I have not decided yet what type of desk I would like, but eventually this will be my home office. I love the fixture I picked out. It's kind of like a space vibe. It's like an exploding star. I know I'm a dork. But this will be kind of have a space themed is what our idea for it is, as far as like some old NASA prints and stuff for the wall.
Okay, so this is our half, like downstairs half bath. And then we have just like a coat closet in here. So then from this little hallway is our living room, which is completely empty, other than a bunch of cat stuff.
We have a nice little cat playhouse, and this is Oreo's box that he's busy destroying. He likes to chew the edges and then spit them out.
I love the windows and the casing around the windows, just all that natural light coming in. I just love it. And our fireplace is a gas fireplace, which is nice just for the convenience. And I love having the sconces above. I'm gonna put some kind of mirror or something I haven't fully figured out yet. And then this is our kitchen. So for the kitchen, we still need bar stools, and I have these like open mirror or glass shelves, and I need to figure out what to put up there. And then we have like a farmhouse style sink. And then check out this pantry. I love this pantry.
Just how far back it goes behind the stairs.
Yes, it just keeps going and going.
And of course we've got the cat carrier for.
Well, we had a off-season tornado warning. And so we just decided it would be easy if we had to run real quick to take cover to just grab the cats and have the cat carrier, and we just haven't taken it out since then. Thankfully, we didn't have a tornado. And then from in the kitchen, we go into our dining area. This is a table that we have had since the dawn of time. We got this table when we first got married, which was like 10 years ago. We eventually will probably get something that fits more people, but for now, it's, we got our money's worth. So I love this big window, and I just feel like it's a really nice flow from the living room. Okay, so now this is the door to our backyard. We love this vaulted back patio. Our last house, it was not even a quarter of the size. It was really small, and we spend a lot of time outside, especially in the spring. So we wanted something that was covered but big and open. Our backyard isn't the biggest. Our last house was like 0.7 acres.
Yeah, almost a 3/4 acre.
Almost 3/4 acre, and then this is much smaller. But you know, it's just us. We don't need a ton of yard. So just a moment ago, we noticed that there were people taking pictures in this lot behind us, and we were like, dang it, that lot's getting sold, but that's okay. Being like a friendly neighbor, I came out and kind of introduced myself, and they seem really cool. And they also had friends with them that are building on this lot next to us. So in the future, if you see us at our house again, all these like empty lots are going to all be full.
Yeah, they're slowly closing in on us. So for now, I just have my grill sitting in the corner behind the fireplace. But I want to, at some point, build a little L-shaped outdoor kitchen. And I think that would be really nice to add to our porch.
And a pool, right?
Yeah, and a pool out here.
Yeah.
And like a fire pit right here.
A pool and a
Like
fire pit.
Fire pit right here, and then pool out this way.
Yeah.
Abby's really excited about that.
It'll probably be like 5 years before we can afford that.
Probably.
So off the kitchen and our little dining area is the master bedroom.
Some nice big windows.
Love the windows and the casing, and I've always wanted a chandelier in my master. So we have this chandelier, and right now just a kind of ugly standard standing fan, but at some point I want to get something maybe a little skinnier, maybe in white, that matches the room a bit more.
You have to have airflow when you're sleeping.
I boil at night. Like, I get so hot, so I have to have a fan. And then I like this corner over here for just like reading and having like a little spot to kind of sit and read. So from the master, we go to, or they're not calling it a master anymore. They're calling it the primary bedroom, I should say, to be correct. So from the primary bedroom, we're moving to the primary bath. We have a barn sliding door and into our bathroom. And I just love this bathroom. I feel like the mirrors make me feel like I'm in a Bellagio suite. And then we
They're
have
like huge. Yeah, we had them run them all the way to the ceiling as well. I just feel like that adds a lot of character.
I love it. Another thing is that we have this really cheap light fixture right now. Eventually I want to put a chandelier there. So we have a standing tub over here in the corner, which is nice and deep. I've used it once so far, but I plan on using it much more. And then I really like our shower. We have a rain shower head and a little bench in the corner. I just love it. This bathroom I just love. And then the toilet is in here.
The water closet.
The water closet. Oh, and one of the things I really like is I had them put a night light in here, which I think is super fancy. We go into the primary closet. So just like in the bathroom, I want to change out one of the light fixtures to a chandelier. And eventually, Wiebe talks about he wants to have an outdoor kitchen. He's already envisioned it. And I'm talking about custom closets. Eventually, I mean, this is just dreaming. Eventually, we want to do some custom closets in here. But I really like that it's got a window. It's right off the bathroom. And then it also is right off the laundry room. So we have sliding doors into the laundry room. which is awesome just for convenience for the connecting to the closet. We have a sink in here, and eventually I'm going to end up maybe adding another little cabinet or something. I'm not too sure. And for now, we have the cat's litter box, which Oreo is demonstrating for us as we speak. But Weeby has an idea of putting a cat door in the wall and having it come out to like a big chest in the garage where we can access the litter box so they can come and go. And technically the litter box would be in the garage, we think. So we'll see how that plays out, but that's kind of the plan for right now. So we have another sliding door here. That way we can kind of keep it open for Oreo to come out. But one of the reasons why I really like this floor plan is this is the door to the garage, and our front door, because we made a circle, is right here behind us. And so our little, mud bench is accessible to us, but also to guests because it's right off the front door. So it's off the entrance to the garage and the front door, and I just feel like that's really convenient.
Yeah. It's nice to just walk in and be able to hang your
just like a drop zone for everything. So, okay, so now we'll go upstairs. I've always, since I was a little girl, thought having an upstairs would be awesome. I've always dreamed of having an upstairs, which sounds silly, but we just love it.
Nacho, are we gonna go upstairs? So we're on the landing.
Yes. So from the downstairs, we come up to our game room, which we have plans for in here as well. Right now, the access to the attic is behind our sectional, and we kind of want to change that up, which would be too confusing to try to describe it on camera. So we have a couch in front of it now, but we can still easily access it. So up here, we're gonna have all of our games, DVDs. This is just our hangout kind of room. We have a kitchenette over here. We're eventually gonna get a refrigerator and freezer, so the fridge will take this whole space. We're gonna put a microwave up here. Have a toaster and stuff. We have a great view out the back, even though eventually we're gonna have a house behind us. I think they told me it was going to be one story. Fingers crossed. So this is our little game room, and the cats love it up here.
And that's the cat corner, but it's about to be the Christmas tree corner.
I think we're going to put our Christmas tree up here this year.
Yeah.
Just because we're not really using our living room right now. This is our living room, technically, for right now. And I just think the Christmas tree up in the corner would be best to do it here. So we have two bedrooms behind me. This one is just kind of empty right now, and they're both identical, so I'll just show you this one for now. This one we're gonna make our guest bedroom, and it's kind of empty right now. I haven't put up decorations, I've barely done the bedding, so this will change. And then it has closets that you kind of open both. It's just kind of hanging space, so it's not a walk-in, but it still's got decent closet space.
Yeah.
So from the two bedrooms, we have the upstairs bath, which is in here. Just kind of your standard shower tub combo.
We need to get a shower curtain.
And then another thing I really like is we have the mirrors go all the way up to the ceiling in here as well. I just think it makes a huge, statement, and I love it.
Yeah.
So from there, we have a little closet in here, which is nice, just extra space. And then in here, this is going to be kind of my room because Weeby has the office downstairs. I'm going to turn this into kind of my editing room. I do Poshmark for fun, just that kind of thing. And I have fun kind of girly plans in here of how I want to decorate.
And front yard views.
Yes, so the views are from the front yard. And then I have a walk-in closet over here, which is nice. Just kind of a big catch-all walk-in closet with a bunch of junk right now because we're still kind of getting moved in.
Yeah.
But,
this is where we lock the cats when they're bad.
yes.
No, we don't.
We lock the cats in here. No, we would never do that. And so that's pretty much our house. The only thing we didn't show you was the garage. It's a 3-car garage. It's kind of boring, so I don't think we'll show that.
And it's a complete mess.
And it's a mess. As you can imagine, there's boxes everywhere just from getting moved in. So I think for tonight, we're going to order a pizza. We're going to put up our Christmas trees. We're going to put on some Christmas music and then just kind of get excited and ready for the season.
Christmas is coming, the snowflakes will be falling. It's the most wonderful time of year. So hang up your stockings, put the tinsel on the tree, because Christmas is coming, my dear. It's the only time of year the reindeer fly. You can see them on their sleigh ride across the sky. Gather all your family round, or go out and paint the town. It's the only time of year the whole wide world turns upside down. So baby, light a fire, and we'll toast the night away, because Christmas is coming our way.
Realizing is this is a new tree, and this is an 8-foot tree, and our last tree was a 6-foot tree, and we're like, well, our lights are too short, we're probably not going to have enough of this like garland, and we're probably not going to have enough bulbs. But this year we're like, you know, just moving into a new house and everything, our budget's kind of tapped out, so we're going to make it work.
And here she is with the cats helping.
Oh, they're good helpers.
Oreo likes the heat.